I am so excited that you are registered for the Don't Get Left Behind with AI Masterclass. But let me be real and honest with you. Research shows that only about 15 to 20% of people that actually register for master classes show up, which means that a lot of people they register and they continue doing the same thing because they don't show up live. There is magic that happens when you invest in yourself, when you say yes to yourself and you show up live. Let me tell you why it's important for the Don't Get Left Behind with the AI Masterclass. The environment, the energy, the mindset shifts that happen within this 60 minutes, I cannot put it into words. When I tell you people that leave the masterclass, they're like, oh my God, I had an aha moment. I see AI different. I have a totally different understanding of how to train it and how to use it in my life, in both my personal life and my practical life. Listen, this is not an AI tutorials where we're going to just show you how to use chat, perplexity, Claude, Gemini, or whatever tool that you're working on. We're going to teach you how to use AI as a leadership strategy to increase your income or your revenue, to protect your peace, your time, and also to be able to learn how to use it to train AI and so that you can master your AI skills plus your leadership skills. So you want to be in that room. Only live attendees will receive the replay and my leadership blueprint, which is the exact same blueprint that corporations use to roll out AI in their organization. But more importantly, what you're going to get is community. You're going to be around like-minded women, and you are going to finally learn in an easy to understand way that is practical on how to leverage AI. So listen, if you're a novice or even if you're advanced and have a certification, there is something for you, or AI certification, there is something that you will get in this class. So listen, my team and my goal is to ensure that no woman falls behind, that doesn't want to fall behind in the age of AI. So show up live. Hunty. We do live Q&A at the end, and we stay and we answer all of your questions. Listen, my time is expensive and I charge the corporate clients the dollars, but I am showing up live for you free to ensure that you get this knowledge and you get this information so that you can wipe away any fear and that you can lead with AI. Okay, so are you ready to lead with AI in every area of your life? If yes, I will see you live in the Don't Get Left Behind with AI Masterclass. And also make sure that you attend the AI Mindset class. It's a prerequisite for the Masterclass and it's free because when you shift your mindset, you shift your life. Okay, so all the details are in the email and I will see you live. And if you're not a part of our free She Leads with AI community, click the link below to get in that room as well. Okay, I'll see you live. Show up, show up, show up. Invest in yourself. Okay, honey, this is a commitment to your growth. See you soon.